Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda, that's me. Today I really want to tie-dye all of the white clothes in my closet. Just kidding, not all of it, but some shirts that I have aren't really as white anymore, not that crisp white. I have this little tie-dye kit. It has hot pink, teal, and purple. So I guess those are the only colors I can really choose from. I've never done this before, so I thought I would film it, and I feel like everybody on the planet is tie-dyeing their entire closet because it's like kind of trendy to wear matching sweatpants with a matching tank top that's like all tie-dye. I don't have any sweatpants that I can tie-dye, so that's kind of sad. I tried going on Amazon and literally they're all sold out, so let's get started. So I'm gonna take you guys through the whole process. Hopefully this isn't as boring as it sounds. I'm gonna show you how the white shirts look on me right now and then how I transform them. Did that make sense? I truly hope so. I have a crisp Gildan white youth large shirt, so it's gonna be kind of tight, and then I guess I'll crop it once I'm done tie-dyeing it. I actually have two, so I think I'm gonna leave one full length and then one crop. I have this tank top from Urban. It's just okay, it's a size small. It was in the sale section, so I didn't get a size medium because all they had left was a size small, and it just doesn't fit the way I'd want it to. But if it was tie-dye, I would wear it more because then it wouldn't be a see-through, so then I wouldn't have to wear a bra, you know, the deal. And lastly, I have this shirt that my sister gave me. It's really cropped too, and I love the little design in the corner, but again, the whole bra thing, I think I would be more comfortable if it was not as see-through. Maybe tie-dyeing it would help. Okay guys, so I'm doing this in my room. I would recommend doing it outside, but this is a bowl of water in case you want to wet the shirts before you dye them. This is a fork to do the swirly tie-dye look, the circular dye, pretty much traditional looking tie-dye shirt. These are the gloves that come in the kit. These are the dyes. So you just have to put water in them up to this line. This is the brand Tulip One Step Tie-Dye. And it comes with fuchsia, teal, and purple, and then here are some rubber bands. Okay, so this is my mom's shirt, and I'm gonna be doing the fork method. So you just basically twirl it, and then when you get the right shape, you can start placing the rubber bands. I think I'm only gonna use 4 for this. What do you say, Mom? 4?
Well, my shirt's a little larger. I'm an extra large. So I would maybe use 6.
6?
Yeah, you gotta cinch it together like that. Hold it in place.
This is hard to do.
Yeah, try doing it with a whole class of like anywhere from 2nd grade to 5th grade.
My mom's a teacher, everybody.
Yeah, and I have an art club.
Oh, I guess you could try to make an X with it, right? To start off.
Yeah, exactly.
And then keep going.
Kind of like a hexagon.
Like a pizza.
In 6 sections. Let me see. How many sections do you have?
6 right now.
Okay.
Should I do one more?
Let me see.
Right here across.
Yeah, exactly. And then
So it should look like this. Okay, so I'm gonna do basically blue here, and then whatever's opposite that, you're gonna do the same color, right? So my mom was saying not to put the colors too close together because they bleed into each other.
you're supposed to put on your gloves, by the way.
That's a good idea. Does it stain your skin a lot?
My kids came in with purple and blue hands for a couple of days. Hi. Did you go off to? Yeah, you went off to another section. Go all the way to the center.
This is my first time doing
Saturated well.
Damn, you talk a lot, lady. So this is what it looks like so far. I just put the pink color, and now we're gonna do the purple here, and then pink again. Okay, so we're noticing that If your shirt is dry, if you don't have a damp shirt, the liquid kind of like bounces off. So it'll be a lot easier to apply the dye if your shirt is damp. So I'm gonna do that with the rest of the shirts, but it looks really cute.
I like it. It's gonna look nice.
Now you flip it over and it's obviously not gonna be saturated at all. So you just have to repeat those same colors on the other side as best as you can. I also decided I'm gonna do this little headband. I think it would be cuter if it was tie-dye. I don't really wear it because my foundation's pretty dark and sometimes it rubs off on the white headband. So I think the tie-dye will help with that issue and I'll wear it more. Okay, so I wet this t-shirt and you can see that the dye is easily saturating the shirt when it's wet. This is a crop top, so it was a lot harder to put in the rubber bands, but my mom got it to work. And we're also doing the headband. We split it up into 4 sections. Okay guys, so once you're done applying the dye, you can put them in either trash bags or plastic bags. Leave them in there overnight and then put them in the washer the next day. Hey guys! So it's the next day. These shirts are all ready. I'm wearing one of them. This is actually one of the 2 Gildan shirts that I had. I cut it into like a little v-neck and I tried to do a heart design with the tie-dye. I use only blue and purple, or the teal and purple, and it kind of looks like a heart. I don't know. You can look up some tutorials on YouTube if you want to learn how to do the heart method, but it was a little too hard for me in my opinion. It was really difficult. I tried it like 10 times and then the last time I was just like, I'm gonna leave it like this. So it came out pretty cute, I think. It was just a regular schmegular white shirt. So this is the next shirt. I cut it off like towards the top so it could be kind of like off the shoulder, kind of like an 80s workout vibe. I really like the way it turned out. Okay, so this next shirt came out a lot more saturated than the first 2 I showed you because it was like the second shirt I did. So it came out a lot brighter and the design came out a lot cooler in my opinion. And now we're on to the last shirt. This is actually a little tank top from Urban Outfitters. I think this one came out really, really nice and I think I'm going to be wearing it a lot more often. Okay, and the last item is actually this little headband. I think it came out really cute and kind of muted. Definitely looks like I bought this at a store. So let me show you guys how it looks on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was kind of entertaining. I hope this inspires you guys to tie-dye some of the white things in your closet because it was really fun and I feel like I just went shopping because I'm definitely going to wear these a lot more now. Everyone's wearing tie-dye right now, so you can definitely follow the trends without spending a lot of money because a lot of these tie-dye shirts and tie-dye sweatpants are like $100 online. It's insane. Please let me know what else you guys want to see from me down in the comments, and I'll see y'all very, 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 very soon. Bye!